Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you this extreme fat burning juice that helps shrink and burn down belly fat. As you can see, this is my before picture, how my belly was really big. This is my now images of my belly live. Like, this helps you crush belly fat, prevents you from having belly fat, and you always stay in shape as well. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first ingredient I use is cucumber. So I'll be using one cucumber. Cucumbers are very good as they help to cleanse your liver, leaving it in the best state to detox all waste, toxins, excess fats from your system, because your liver is what actually detoxes stuff from your system. So you want your liver to always be in good state, and cucumber is what cleanses your liver. Like, it is alkalizing to fight diseases, cleanse diseases from your system, and leave your liver so active to flush out those bad fats in your system like so fast. And it supports your system to detox and hydrate your system, leave your system with enough energy to be able to break down and flush out waste out of your system. So this is my one cucumber. What I did is I peeled the back of the cucumber, and I actually need just the inner part of it, like the pulp of it, the inner part of the cucumber, like the actual fruit without the peel. You can use it with the peel, that is up to you, but I prefer it this way because I don't want my drink greenish kind of. So yeah, that is just the reason. Whereas this is just fine because it is juice. No need for the fiber when I will not be using it here. The second ingredient I'll be using will be ginger. Ginger is very, very good for breaking fat. It heats up your system, it is thermic, heats up your system, awakens and boosts your metabolism to be able to break down fat so fast. Like, it helps to break down the heaviest meals you eat. So if you have that accumulated bad fats, a lot of fats in your system that is unable to be broken down, you want to fall in love with ginger juice. It helps you break down whatever you eat, so you don't even end up with belly fat as well. So if you don't have belly fat, this is just good to prevent it in the first place. Yeah. So what I want to achieve here is like 2 tablespoons of ginger. So you just want to, if you're using crushed ginger, you just want to use 2 tablespoons of your crushed ginger, and that is just fine. So I'll be adding in this citrus fruit, grapefruit, which is very, very good. It has the good acids that help to break down and burn bad acids, causing bloating, constipation, making your belly to look really big unnecessarily. So this calms down the bloating, inflammation, burns fats, flushes out the bad acids due to the good acids it has. And yeah, so I'll be using 2 grapefruits for this juice. And you just need to get your, like, something to help you squeeze out the juice, like your manual juice extractor or whatever. I use this because it can be a little bit difficult to actually squeeze out all the juice with your hands. So this is so good. Once it clear, helps your system to flush out the excess fats from your system. It will glow your skin as well because this is highly rich in vitamin C. So I'll be adding in some lemons in here. Lemons are very good too. They have those good acids we need to flush out bad acids from the system. Like, this is so alkalizing as well to cleanse excess cholesterol, excess fats from your system, waste, diseases, toxins. Like, lemons are very good. If you watch my previous video, I made a full video just of lemon juice. Like, this is so something you want to fall in love with, to always stay healthy, as it flushes out bad fats, burn those bad fats out of your system, lowers cholesterol. Like, you always have your system so clean without a lot of bad fats in there causing belly fat and weight gain. So this is something you want to fall in love with. So what I want to do now is, like, I need this juice. Like, you want to watch how I come up with this juice, because I will not be blending with this juice. I will have to add this at the end of the video. So you want to watch, and I'll be using the pulp to actually blend the other ingredients. So in my blender now is my cucumber. I have my cucumber in the blender, ginger, and the pulp. So this is cucumber, ginger, and the pulp of the grapefruit and lemon. So you want to blend everything till you get a very smooth consistency that you can actually really blend enough juice without having to leave a lot of it in the pulp. So you blend to actually get it very smooth, and I will not be throwing the pulp. So after you blend, you make sure you don't throw the pulp. The pulp is very important as it is fiber, which is good for weight loss as well. So after you strain, what you need to do is to get your sieve, like just try to sieve the juice out of the. So this is the juice from the cucumber and ginger. So you just want to get the juice out, and this pulp, I'll be using it to make my smoothie with it. You can just add it in your healthy smoothie. Just add in banana or with maybe papaya, and you come up with your fat burning smoothie. So I don't throw this. You want to keep it in your refrigerator, or if it is early morning, you can just add it in your breakfast smoothie. Like I have so many healthy breakfast smoothie recipes. You can go check on my channel, and you just add in the pulp in any of those recipes and you're good. Don't throw the pulp. So this is it. Now you want to add the juice of the grapefruit and lemon, and voila, now this is your very intense fat burning juice, really concentrated to help you burn down the stubborn belly fat. Like, this keeps you in shape, prevents fat store up in your system. That way you hardly have that big bloatedness, like big belly, or it helps to lower your cholesterol levels. You hardly have all the high cholesterol, high blood pressure, hypertension. Like, this is something like, if not just for weight loss, this is something you want to fall in love with to prevent obesity, high cholesterol, bad fats in the system causing all the obesity leading to hypertension and the rest. Like, fat is something you don't want it excess in your system. Besides having this to stay in shape, fat is not something you want to really allow it in your system, because it causes fatty liver, high cholesterol, obesity, which is not healthy. So this is something you want to fall in love with, not just to stay in shape, but to stay healthy as well. Health is wealth. This is something you want to practice more of healthy habits. Stay away from all those kinds of drinks that are sugary, that will add calories in your system, and start making this kind of healthy recipes like your own juices. It will maintain you. You always have a good size without gaining a lot of weight. Not necessarily really skinny, but just having that good body size, that you don't have big belly. You are just always in shape without looking clumsy. And this is something most people, before I did not know, but now I know having drinks like this maintains a very healthy body size. Yeah, so this is what I thought of sharing with you today. I hope and I know someone will find this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.